Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and today we are going to deep clean the guest bathroom to get it ready for Thanksgiving gathering. If you are looking for some cleaning motivation, then grab your cleaning tools and let's do this together. This may seem awkward to you that I'm sweeping first, but I cannot clean a room unless the floors are cleaned before, and usually I tend to sweep or vacuum before I start cleaning, and this is why you see me sweeping the floor first. Today, most of the products that I'm going to be using to clean these bathrooms are going to be from Joe. This video is not sponsored, but I just love these products. I'm also going to be using the Clorox wand and the Glade gel that goes in the toilet. If you have any favorite bathroom products, please make sure you leave me a comment down below so I can pick it up at the store next time and give it a try. I also forgot that I am going to be using the Lime Away from Dollar Tree to clean the grouts from the floor as well as around the faucet. When I'm cleaning the bathroom, one of the things that I take into consideration is the cross-contamination from one place to another one. And because this video is edited, I do want to let you know that every single time I wipe an area, I am rinsing the rag, and that I usually use more than one rag in the bathroom. Also, when I'm cleaning the toilet, I use paper towels, and again, it's for cross-contamination purposes. That's just my way to clean it. I am not perfect. You probably can teach me more or give me more tips and tell me what else can I do to prevent the cross-contamination, but I try my best.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I've said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say.
After I finish cleaning, I usually spray the glass cleaner. It makes everything shiny and also reduces the grease.
We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I'ma go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip.
I picked up these kitchen towels from the Dollar Tree. I picked up about 30 and I fold them, and I'm going to show you how I fold them. And I now have them in the bathroom, so when the guests come, they each get one and they get to dispose it right away. And when I was at the Dollar Tree, I also purchased a little garbage can, and with the Cricut machine I put the signed dirty towels so the guests know to use a towel, wash their hands, and place it inside of the dirty bin. And it's been working amazing because even in my kids are usually doing that system. And what I like about that is that we're also helping the environment, not using more paper towels. Here you see me refilling the Clorox ones refills, and that's what we're gonna be cleaning next is the toilet. I know some people don't like to see that, so you could skip this part if you like.
Gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you. I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are
the lime away in each grout. And after I'm done doing that, I waited 30 minutes. And when I came back, I grabbed the Rubbermaid brush and went to town and scrub, scrub, scrub. And you are going to see how disgusting it is. Now, the camera may not do a service because this bathroom is beige in color, and sometimes even when I'm editing, I'm thinking that it doesn't look clean enough. But if you were to see it, the bathroom is clean. Unfortunately, the lighting and the fact that everything is beige makes the bathroom not so shiny on camera, but at the end, you best believe that this bathroom was spotless and extremely clean.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden and gold, you see. What do you got? So take a chance, take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close to me. What do you got? 'Cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden and gold, you see. What do you got? So take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold, I'm golden.
Friend, from the bottom of my heart, if you're still here, I want to thank you for cleaning alongside with me and for supporting my channel. If you haven't hit the subscribe button and you enjoyed today's content, would you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and leave me a thumbs up? It does help my channel a lot and it doesn't cost you anything. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you found the motivation to get a head start on your cleaning for Thanksgiving, to receive the guests, and perhaps if we clean now, then we can concentrate more on the cooking the days heading closer to Thanksgiving dinner. Make sure you stay until the end so you see my little basket where the guests are going to be dropping off the towels in case you want to have this idea at your house. Again, I purchased about 30 towels, but I only pay like $15 because they come two in a package. Maybe I pay a little bit more now because, you know, Dollar Tree is $125 now. But just so you know, each package has two towels and they cost $1.25. I hope to see you in my next video, and until next time, I am reaching over and sending you a hug. And again, stay until the end. We almost done.